Hey, what's going on guys, it's Rahul from TrueTech back with another video, and today we're taking a look at something Amazfit happened to send me, a product that is a dance to another tune to widen the spectrum of its user base. We're talking about the international version of the Amazfit BIP, which was under embargo until the 5th of February, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the unboxing and review. Start by talking about my favorite segment, that is design. The Amazfit BIP of course borrows cues from obvious market leaders, which to me comes as playing safe and avoiding risks rather than copying. Of course, that's not to say the watch is designed badly. In fact, the brand manages to use ceramic with plastic at a price of $99 or 6,500 Indian rupees. Well, don't quote me on the price though, it might have fallen by the time you're watching this video, so I recommend checking out the links in the description for the most updated price. Anyway, returning to the subject, the watch uses ceramic for the display glass and plastic for the rest of the body, and it feels just like that. The ceramic glass on the display of course looks gorgeous and is very reflective. However, Amazfit's trans-reflective screen manages to push the information through quite clearly, sometimes even without the use of backlight functionality. So yes, the ceramic coating and the display are of course praiseworthy. Nonetheless, the use of plastic on the watch is a little discouraging, which isn't a valid reason to complain about since the watch is priced so low. Besides, the plastic is not just bare nuts and bolts, it rather feels smooth, soft, and blends in with the design language pretty well. Likewise, the silicone band. It has fared really well during my 2 weeks of testing. Last but not least is the color choices. 2018 is already seeing a new design trend, gadgets with colored accents, and the Amazfit BIP or Amazfit BIP watch, whatever you want to call it, appears to manifest it surprisingly well, with the khaki over the black here. So that wraps up the good stuff about the design. What I'm truly disappointed about here is the shape and size of the screen. It comes with massive bezels that just don't go well with the design, take away from the overall beautiful appearance, and do I need to mention it's 2017? Oh my bad, it's 2018 again? Moving on, let's talk about the performance and battery. You might expect a watch this cheap to provide barely adequate or miserable performance, wouldn't you? Well, I couldn't be more excited to tell you that this watch definitely beats almost all fitness trackers at this price. And of course, I haven't tried them all, but at least the feature set on paper is more than enough to justify that. The Amazfit BIP gets really bright when you need it. Tracks heartbeat, steps, running, cycling, and all other activities that a contemporary fitness tracker is capable of. The touch response is fluid and superior for the price, and it has tons and tons of watch faces that can be downloaded from the MiFit app. It manages to do almost all of what the Amazfit Base does through a lighter version of the OS, which to me is surprising. And if you recall, the Amazfit Base already had a great battery life, lasting for about 4 to 5 days on a single charge. However, the Amazfit BIP's lighter OS holds on to the juice for up to 3 to 4 weeks in a go, which is great, isn't it? Well, hold on to your shopping carts for a while. Not everything is that great though. I noticed that updating the watch's firmware is difficult and it takes hours at times. It would simply get stuck on updating resources and GPS and would repeat that again and again. And I'm not so sure if this issue is limited to my unit only, but it indeed was to my dismay. It's not only that, mirroring notifications isn't precise either. Notifications from Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. aren't reflected on my watch despite allowing notification access. This is definitely a concern for me because I depend on my watch to help me prioritize notifications and tend to the important ones. If I needed to check all of them, I'd rather pull up my phone. All that said, I believe software updates can usually fix these issues, and I'm looking forward to future updates to do the same for me. Lastly, I want to talk about the clever new charging dock. This new brilliant design allows you to slide the band underneath the stand and fixate the watch parallel to yourself, which I love. I don't know why, but I love it. Just saying, it would have been great to see a charger utilizing micro USB or USB-C because it's more convenient than if I end up damaging the cable, I wouldn't have to get another charger altogether. Anyway, that wraps up my review of the Amazfit BIP, a really good smartwatch that brings in the good old and the good new, just under $99 or 6,500 Indian rupees. Just so you know guys, video reviews will have this new format. They're gonna be shorter, easier to follow, and they'll act as companions to the full in-depth written reviews on TrueTech.net. So if you want to learn in depth about the product, always check out the full review on TrueTech.net. Links as always in the description. And lastly, if you're thinking of buying this watch or any product for that sake in reviews, I really recommend that you use the links in description since it helps out the channel without any extra costs to you viewers. Anyway, that's it. I won't blabber for long. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video and listening to my boring voice. I appreciate it a lot. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching, and I'll leave you with a beautiful snowfall.